I'm thinking about putting LED lights in my room. Yeah, I like that. Even me before I have here. And of course, I have last. I put it there and umano siya, pumutok siya. So I have to buy another one when I have time to go to the mall. Because the light of this room is in the ceiling, and it's like I feel like it's dark. It's still dark. So I'm thankful I have my ring light, so it helps. Now I am using only my ring lights to have a light. Because if I only on that light in the ceiling, it's still dark until here because the ceiling was there. It's little far from here. Because when I'm awake, especially when I'm doing something, I want to be like it's very light on my room. I hate when it's you know I hate when it's dark. That's why I on the light, I on the ring light, and I have a bulb, one bulb. I put it there, so yeah, it's very light, which I like. Hola, guapa buenas. Hello, Mr. Antonio Monta. Thank you so much. Who is this? Tingin na hindi ko na marunong, hindi na ako marunong magbasa. Freddie, mega love shout out to you, darling. How are you? Hola, guapa buenas. I claim it. Ay, pasensya na kayo kasi inaantok na ang person. Eugene, how old are you again? How's Mr. Jan and Mia? Are you newborn, right? I'm thinking, did you had a pet cat? Yes, we have two cats here, the black and the white. They are all girls, and they keep on crying. They keep on crying because they wanted to be pregnant. I'm 28 years old. Oh my gosh, you're so young. That's perfect. Perfect age. That's why I told you, just enjoy. Get 5 girlfriends. You're still young. Roxanne TV official. I love you. Thank you, my friend, for meeting me. Thank you, Edie, for staying in my life. Kamusta naman akong buhok ko eh. Ramel, ate 29 years old po ako. Oh, you guys are very young. Me, I am 52 already. 52 years old. Putra, hello. Malaki ba? Hinihilot ko kasi yan para lumaki. Ay! Ayaw mo ba malaki?